Hello everyone. Today we come to Zhenqi Road in Taitung to taste local food together. We have chosen two delicacies to share with you. This is our first store, a very famous stinky tofu specialty store in Taitung, called Lean Stinky Tofu. The clerks are very skilled in making and packing stinky tofu. It cannot be used internally during the epidemic. Although it doesn't smell very good, it's actually very delicious and we're ready to go home and enjoy it. Check out this stinky tofu, very juicy and full of ingredients.
One more time.
In addition to the stinky tofu itself, the kimchi in it is also one of the essences, which is really mouth-watering. This is our second shop, a very famous binker shop in Taitung, called Baosang Binker. Because it's winter now, there are also hot binkers for sale. The interior environment is also very good, but we chose to take it home to eat. Our binker is ready to enjoy. Let's open it up and see the contents. Not so easy to open. Let me try again. It's finally open. I chose the pro filling, but there are actually many flavors to choose from. Welcome to try. Let's take a sip. Wow, sweet and delicious. Yay, we're done. The above is the Taitung food we want to share with you today. Due to the bad weather, many pictures were difficult to shoot. But thank you for your appreciation. I hope you like it. See you next time.